Our topic for now is the long division of polynomials. We have here quantity x 6x squared plus 11x plus 4 divided by quantity 2x plus 1. So we can also write this one as 6x squared plus 11x plus 4 over 2x plus 1. But we cannot do like the monomial, we cannot use this one. We cannot write this one as 6 divide each term by 2x plus 1. We cannot do this like the monomial. This is not allowed. So what we are going to do is to use the long division. And this is the format, like the division of number, long division of numbers. So we have here 2x plus 1 divided 6 as the divisor, and this is the dividend, 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. First, we have to divide 6x squared by 2x. So 6x squared divided by 2x is 3x, and we have to put the 3x above. So we have to put above this is 3x here. After that, we are going to multiply 3x to 2x and 1. So we have 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 1, and this is plus, so plus 3x. And uh, subtracting, so we have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So this becomes negative 6x squared, and this is negative 3x squared, so minus, so this is equals to 0, and this one is equals to 8. 11 minus 3, 11x minus 3 is 8x, and bring down 4. So we have here 8x plus 4. Then divide 8x by 2x. Here we have 8x divided by 2x is equals to 4. And this 4 will be distributed. We distribute this 1 to 2x, and 2x plus 1. This will give you an answer of 8x plus 4. And subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend, then subtract, this is equals to 0. So the answer of dividing 6x squared plus 11x plus 4 by 2x plus 1 is equals to 3x plus 4. Suppose the last term is 6, not 4. So we have also here the change here, bring down here. So this is 6, and this will not change. So if you subtract, there is a remainder of 2. This 2 here becomes the numerator at the top here, and this 2x plus 1 here becomes the denominator. That is how to write the remainder, because 2 here is the remainder and becomes the numerator, and the divisor becomes the denominator. So the answer of dividing 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 4 and 2 over 2x plus 1. That is how the remainder is 27x cubed plus 64 is divided by 9x squared minus 12x plus 16. We have here the dividend is a binomial, 2 terms, and the divisor is a trinomial with 3 terms. So it seems impossible to divide, but we have here a missing term of we have the highest exponent x cubed, So we have missing terms of x squared and x, and we have to provide that terms without increasing or decreasing the value of the dividend. So we have to use 0 to as coefficient of x squared and x. So there's no increase or decrease in the value of the remains the same. The dividend remains the same. So we have here 27x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 64 is divided by 9x squared minus 12 plus 16. First thing to do is divide by 27x cubed by 9x squared, and the answer is 3x, and this 3x have put up above 27x cubed, and from here we are going to multiply 3x to 9x squared minus 12x plus 16. By distributive property, we have here the answer is 27x cubed minus 36. 3 times 9x squared is 27x cubed, and 3 times 12 12x is 36x squared. This is minus, and 3 3x times 16 is 48x, and we have to put this below 27x squared, 27x cubed minus 30 plus 0x squared and 0x. So we are going to subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend. So this becomes minus, and this is a plus, and this is a minus. So by subtracting, we have here this is equals to 0, and this is plus 0. So this becomes 36, and this becomes minus 48x, and bring down 64. So we have 36x 36x squared minus 48x plus 64. And next step is again dividing 36, the first term 36x squared by 9x squared, and the answer is 4. Put that on the top, plus 4, and this 4 here we are going to multiply to 9x squared minus 12x plus 16, and the answer is 36x squared 36x squared, and 4 minus 48x plus 64. So again, put that below and change the sign, subtract by changing the sign of the subtrahend. And we have here negative 36x squared and plus 48x minus 64. And if you subtract this one, the answer is 0. So that's it. You have, if there are missing terms, you have to provide an answer. Here we have the missing term of x. We have the highest exponent 3 cubed. So we have a missing term of x squared and x. So you have to provide that with coefficient 0 in order not to change the value of the dividend. And in dividing, you have to divide the first term by the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. We have first thing we did is divide 27x cubed by 9x squared, and the answer is 3x. And this 3x multiplied to each term of the divisor, and the answer here, and subtract by changing the sign of the subtrahend, and then subtract the answer and bring down the last term, and then divide 36 by 9x squared, 36x squared by 9x squared, the answer is 4, and this 4 here again multiply to each term of the divisor, and the answer both below and subtract.